I know what you're thinking. How do you pull profits like that straight into your wallet? No stress. I'm going to show you the whole process so you can cash out clean and easy. Hold up before we dive in. Avoid Pump.Fun altogether. It's a madhouse right now, with tokens getting launched non-stop at zero cost. There's no room to shine there. If you're chasing legit profit, you've got to play it differently. Fire up Photon and set it to Pump.Fun. You'll see a non-stop stream of fresh meme coins. Feels like something drops every second. But don't get too excited, none of them stick around. It's overcrowded because launching is open to everyone. Now let's take a peek at what Radium looks like. With Radium filtered in, notice how slow and clean the action is. Only 6 new tokens in the last 8 minutes. No overload here. And the interest? Off the charts. The market caps blow Pump.Fun out of the water. That's because Radium has a barrier. It takes real dev knowledge to get something running. That keeps the trash out. So, yeah, this is where we're building. Here's the step-by-step. Launchtool.io is honestly a cheat code. You skip all the tech stuff. No coding or dev work needed. Just plug in your info, click a few times, and your token's out there. It's seriously like unlocking a shortcut most people don't know about. I picked out a clean image from Google. This one's themed around the trending topic, 100 men versus 1 gorilla. Fire up Canva, set the custom size to 128 by 128 pixels, drop your image in and resize it to fill the entire frame. Since the image isn't square, I'm using a color from it as the background so it blends in nicely. Hit download once it's ready. We'll plug that into our token in a second. Go to Launch Tool and plug in your token details. I'm naming mine 100 men versus 1 gorilla with the symbol 100 versus 1. If you've got a fun description in mind, throw it in. If not, skip it like I'm doing here. Upload the logo you made earlier and hit next. The tokenomics page is up next. No need to change anything. The default numbers are just right. We'll use that full 1 billion supply shortly. On the creator info page, you'll see it charges 0.1 SOL to modify it. Not worth it. Turn it off and move on. If you got social media links, feel free to drop them in. I don't, so I'm skipping that too. Now here's where it gets serious. Don't disable revoke freeze, revoke mint, or revoke update. Turning off any of those makes your token look sketchy and scares off investors. Leave everything as is, click launch, confirm the wallet transaction, pause for a moment and verify your token is live. I'm checking mine on Solscan. It shows up, so we're good to go. Now, to make your coin tradable, we need to create a liquidity pool. Jump back into Launch Tool and hit the Create Liquidity Pool button. It'll take you over to Radium automatically. First, connect your wallet. Then select your token as the base. Copy your token address from Launch Tool and paste it right below Select the token. Fill in the token symbol. I'm using 100 versus 1. And name 100 men versus 1 gorilla. Click Add User Token and tap it again to lock it in. Enter 900 million tokens. This is the standard launch size for meme coins out of 1 billion total supply. Set Solana as your quote token. Since you're the first buyer, going all in won't cost you, but don't forget to leave 0.2 SOL for Radium's setup fee, marked in yellow at the bottom. Select a 2% fee tier. After that, hit Initialize Liquidity Pool. Approve the request in your wallet and your pool will be up and running. Head over to Photon and your coin should show up right away. Next, let's check its chart performance. Head over to dexscreener.com and pick any token at random. Then switch back to Launch Tool, copy your token's contract address, and replace the one in DexScreener's URL bar. Press Enter and you will see your token's chart is now live. You might see some activity down below, but don't worry, that's just bots playing. Give it a few minutes for real buyers to show up. We're only 12 minutes in and we got 2 orders already, $20 and $41. Still hanging out here, waiting for more to come in. And just 4 minutes later, another buy hits, $67, which is 0.38 Sol. We are currently standing at over 600 market cap and over 500 liquidity. We're killing it so far, and I'm betting those numbers will climb fast. The best thing is you don't need no promo, just stay sharp on trends. 4th buy dropped. Again, smaller one, $25. You'll notice some sell activity too, but no worries, that's actually helping. More volume means more visibility, which brings in new buyers fast. After a while, we got another one. This one is $72 or 0.41 Solana. Quick reminder, this is just for education, your results may vary. Okay, I am satisfied with the results we got, so let me show you how to remove liquidity and take profits to your wallet. Launch Radium, link your wallet, and switch to the standard view. Tap the minus button and slide it fully to 100%. You're mostly getting your SOL back, so don't sweat the rest. Click Remove Liquidity, confirm the transaction in your wallet, and once confirmed, you're finished. Now open Phantom and check your payout. If the numbers don't show up right away, just give it a few seconds and try refreshing your wallet a couple times. And there it is, profits are secured. For transparency, I have no sponsorship or deals with Radium, Launchtool, or Photon. This is just a live demo of what's working for me right now. Like everything else, crypto changes fast, so don't hesitate.